Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well from wherever you are. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. I'm back here today with one more awesome text effect from Hyperpix Graffiti's text effect collection. This template, which you see right here, is totally layered and it allows you to apply your text or logo into any font or language into this attractive style with the complete and exact details. Working with it is so easy, like all of our other products, which when you work with it you're going to be impressed and amazed. I'm going to prove my words to you with this video and show you how easy it is to work with. If you love to download this template, just go to hyperpix.net and get the VIP account and access this template and hundreds of different templates in all different styles. So I'll make it short and won't bore you. Let's get started with editing this beautiful text. So to edit the main text, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which opens here, we have so many layers, but just don't worry. You just need to come down to the end and double click on the yellow layer and select the text. I just need to explain to this font which I've used here just supports capital letters. So if you want to type, put your keyboard on capital, because if it be on lowercase, it might look a bit messy and disorder. So don't forget to use capital letters. The second is that the first and the last character, if you pay attention, is a little larger and bigger than the other characters. So if you want to have the exact same style with your text, just edit the first and the last character separately. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to type street. Just get the first character and type S. The ones between, get them separate. T, R, double E. And finally, we get the last character and type our T separately. As you see, it's done so easy. So we've got our text here. We have a total control now on all the characters. For example, I want to lessen the distance between these two characters. I just need to get this character and from this part here, decrease the number and the distance is going to be less. For example, I'm going to bring this a little bit up. I just need to select it and from this part, increase the number. Here we go. So you can even change the font. Just don't forget, I suggest you to use graffiti and bold or very black fonts because this style is designed for these types of fonts. So the other layers I'm going to explain. If you pay attention, we have every single color separately in different layers and we haven't merged the layers, so you have a total control. For example, we have yellow here. I can even move this yellow here or cover this white patch here with Control and T. I can transform it. As you see, I've covered the white patch. It's so brilliant. For example, this orange which I have here, I can change the color with Control and U, or in Mac with Command and U. Or for example, these colors here, can change every single one. This feature which our designers have made here is excellent and allows you to make any change you want. So the colors are clear here. These layers which we have here are these circles spread all over the text and you can choose them one by one, change the place. It's for the exact details of the text. So you can put them wherever you want or get copies of them with Alt button and drag them. For example, I want to put one here at the corner. We have some shapes here which are these little cracks effects here, which we have one more here. You can rotate them with Control and T. We have one more here. If you don't find it, just click Control and T so the layer appears at the side here. One more here, like this. You can bring it from the corners, so we apply it here. One more here. This looks great, so I can copy this, place it here, and one more right here, just like this. So we're done here. Everything's ready, so we can get back to the rest of the layers. I just think that it's not right in the middle. Let me just check it out. Don't forget to check out, like, see, it's not in the middle here. So I choose it one more time and bring it to the little right, so it is right in the center. Everything's done. We hit save. It just might take a little bit of time depending on the speed of your system. You might have to wait for a moment. So the style is applied. So we're back here. As you see, it looks so beautiful and awesome. I'm sure you think the same. It's so special and excellent. So now let's get started with the rest of the layers. Don't worry about it being so busy. It's very easy to work with after I explain it to you. The first thing which we do is switch this 3D effect off, because this text effect is very difficult and very special as it contains many layers, and it might make your system a little bit slow. So from the effects folder we switch extrusion off. It's just temporary. We come back at the end and we switch it back on, so don't worry about that beautiful 3D effect. So that's just so get a bit faster. From the top we have the adjustments folder, which is this noise all over our style. You can switch it off or on. We have the contrast, brightness right here. We have two folders here, signature 1 and signature 2, which are these two little signatures at the left side and right side, here and here. So you can switch them off or on or remove them. You can change the color. The easiest way to do it is double click at the end of this layer and switch color overlay, put it on normal and choose your color. Easy as it seems. And you can change the text. Just double click on the text and type your ideal text. For example, I'm going to type Photoshop, just like this. And the color, like this color is dripping from here, you can choose it and with your mouse place it wherever you want. It's like this color is dripping. It looks excellent. With Alt you can copy it and drag it or make it small with Control and T and apply it in all the other places. Just see how excellent it looks. One more I put here. It's so realistic and cute. So we're done here. Signature 2, you can do the same with it. We have the sparkles here, which are these cute little star-shaped sparkles spread everywhere. If you open the folder, there's so many sparkles. So I suggest you to remove all of them and just leave one here. As you see, all of them have disappeared. We just kept one here. I place it at the corner because basically and mostly the designers place them at the corners of the text that have this cute and excellent light reflection. And now we get copies of it with the Alt button and drag on all the different parts of your text and artwork. We did this because it's much faster than looking for the sparkles one by one. So in less than a few seconds we're copying them and placing them everywhere, and it's so easy in this way. So we apply them everywhere. You can minimize them with Control and T. One more here. And here we go, we're done with the sparkles. You can even switch them off or on, so don't worry about that. We have elements 1 here, which are all these objects and cute little elements which are on top of our text. The main text, I mean, which are these like lightning effects and objects. Every single layer is separate, so you can move them and customize them. I won't get into the details, I'm just showing you how easy it is to do so. We have the colors here, like these color drips and color splashes. You can move them around one by one and select them. I'll place this one here. So you can place them wherever you want or copy them with the Alt button and drag wherever you want. That's totally in your hands and based on your taste. And you can delete anyone if you don't want them there. So we're done here. We have the smoke folder here, which is these colorful smokes and steamy shadows all over, which looks so attractive. And the glow is this brightness here, which are all in separate layers. So text 3 is this little text down below here, and text 2 is this text right here. You can even edit them one by one. You can double click and type your ideal text, any text you want. So I'm not going to do that, I just leave it to you, you know best. I don't want to take your time. The next part is this little bubbly chat box here, which you can customize. You can move it, place it wherever you want, on any character you want. place it wherever you want. It looks brilliant, and even if you don't enjoy it, you can just remove it, or if you want to use it, like place it wherever you want, and you can change the text. Just double click and type your ideal text, just like this. So we're done here. The next folder is effects, which is the main style of our text. I suggest you to just ignore it and don't touch it, because it contains so many layers and can put you in trouble, as our designers have worked on it very hard and it's very difficult, and it's automatic. So just switch extrusion off, and at the end we'll come back and switch it on. So we have elements 2 here, which are these little objects and elements on the background, which you see. For example, we have smoke 1 and smoke 2. They're these colorful smokes here. You can customize them as I showed you, switch them off or on, select them one by one and change the color, move them around. It's so easy to do so. Don't worry about that. With Control and U, you can just change the color as well. So these little crosses everywhere, as you see, you can just move them around. Like I placed this pink one here, or copy them. So we have these color drips right here at the back, which looks like they're dripping. For example, I just delete this with the delete button on my keyboard. I remove it. Or I place this one here, right near to this character. We have these little arrows here. Look, this blue arrow, I bring it here. The pink one, I place it right here. And this one, this yellow one here. You just need to move them around with your mouse, so that's no problem. Don't need to do anything extra. And this little halo circle shape here, which you can place it wherever you want, next to each character, it doesn't matter. And you can minimize it with Control and T, so don't worry about that. Everything's easy, as you see right here. And here we go. So we're done here. Everything's ready. Just switch extrusion on to have this beautiful 3D effect. Just as you see here, it looks so attractive and stunning. I mean, it was so easy to use. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this attractive style. If you want to download, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership and access this template and hundreds of different templates in all different styles, chrome, graffiti, 80s, it doesn't matter, whatever you love. And use them in personal and commercial projects and enjoy. Just don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out, and click like. Bye from next video from me, Mary.